Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Yeah. I am so happy. I am done for the week. Oh, that's such a wonderful feeling. Yeah. This is my weekend. I am relaxing myself with some magazine. Oh, you. This, the fashion style, make you wonder from what family she's from. Anyway, the fashion style is a little bit admirable. Let's see. These magazines are kind of just this makes you not so. Oh, discovery pearl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You start to think, oh, am I wrong? Or maybe this is just not my work, nothing else, nothing different. Let me have a cup of drink. Shall we have some content? Sometimes we see the internet, the social media is wasting our life, wasting our time. The truth is, the magazine could be even worse, right? They are just printing paper, just printing paper. This experience now. This does not look like the real people's life. Oh my. This is pretty. Do I have a problem or do they have a problem? Why cannot me find comfort in this? I feel not comfortable in this. Is that because it's too pretty? I just feel there is no warmth in this kind of pictures. There's Hakuni. I must have some problem. Why can't I find beauty in this beautiful magazine? Why can't I? Savannah, This must be Savannah. Oh, I love it. Selma. This is the cover page lady. She's pretty. Very pretty. Shall I talk about why I have trouble to appreciate the beauty of this magazine, the problem of myself? The problem is it's just so hard to see these words, to see this. It's almost impossible for me, for my eyes to see. And this picture looks real. Picture with this, I'm not saying you have to put it, but this picture looks real, looks comfortable. This looks quite nice to see, but a lot of these magazines, a lot of the pages, look at this. There is no warmth in it. It's just not very. He's nice, but see. Take a picture for someone to just something wrong with me. I cannot see the beauty of this magazine. Am I blind? Do I have a problem? This drives me. Shh. Too many things. Do 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 do. Too many advertisements. Oh, it's the same advertisement.